Hello guys, welcome back to Fresh Hobby. So in today's video, we will be talking about a latest off-campus placement opportunity from Excel Dynamics. So in this video, we are going to discuss about all the things one should know before applying for this opportunity. So we are going to discuss about things such as the job profile, the CTC they are offering, and we'll also discuss about the educational qualifications required, what are the batches which are eligible for this opportunity, and we'll also discuss the actual job description they have mentioned here and what are the job locations. So we are going to discuss about all these things in a detailed manner. So I request you all to not skip the video in between and watch the video till the end so that you can get a complete idea over this opportunity. And for all those who are new to this channel, let me tell you about Fresher Bee. So in Fresher Bee, I upload regular videos regarding latest off-campus placement opportunities across India and videos regarding the recruitment process for the same. So if you are new, then please I request you all to subscribe to Fresher Bee so that you can get all the latest updates very quickly on this channel. So without making any further delay, let's move forward with the today's video, which is about Excel Dynamics hiring. So as you can see on your screen right now, so this is the official careers page of Excel Dynamics. So I will put the link required for the same in the description box of the video, so you can simply go there and visit that link and read all this information they have mentioned here about this particular drive. We are also going to discuss all these things in the video. So they are hiring for the position of a IT help desk, and the shift of the job will be day/night. That means based on the requirements they will put you in day shift or night shift, and in experience they have mentioned here 0 to 5 years. That means multiple batch students are eligible, like batches from 2017, 18, 19, 2020 and even 2021 batch students are eligible for this opportunity. And talking about the education, so we hire based on individual talent, skill, and work ethic. Formal degrees are not a material in our hiring decision. So here they have mentioned like they are not looking for any particular degree candidates. So they will hire based on the individual talent and skill. And talking about the job location, so they have given here a lot of job locations. So locations are like Navi Mumbai, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Kolkata, Pune, Noida, Ahmedabad, Jaipur, Indore, Lucknow, Mysuru, Kochi, Chennai, Guwahati and Chandigarh. So these all are the locations. So based on the requirements and vacancies in the internal portal, so they will put you in any of these job locations. So talking about the salary range, so they have mentioned here like from 3 LPA to 5 LPA. So based on the interview performance, they will give you salary between 3 LPA to 5 LPA. So next they have mentioned here about the key responsibilities. So if you are finally shortlisted for this job role, so what will be the key responsibilities which will be handled by you? So they have given here a number of points. So we'll go through all these points one by one. So very first point here is providing technical support for all the hardware/software problems, maintaining an overall ownership of users' issues and ensuring resolution within agreed service levels, managing the helpless system by recording appropriate information for fault incident and resolving the fault from a location or by accessing the user's desktop. Next one is managing service requests, software installations, new computer setup, upgrades, supporting the following technologies like Microsoft Office, Internet Explorer, Windows, desktop, laptops, printers, network printers, NICs, basic LAN/WAN connectivity issues, and other issues which will be assigned to you. Next one is troubleshooting network and related issues, troubleshooting login and domain related issues, troubleshooting operating system and general software related issues, recording escalations from employees and notify the IT head on any operational escalations and complaints, resolving the queries in accordance with help desk escalation process. So these all are the key responsibilities they have mentioned here. So next they have given here a note. So we do not have rotational shifts, and candidate who have already appeared for our selection process in the last 3 months are not eligible for this opening. So if you have appeared for any of the selection process by Excel Dynamics in last 3 months, then you are not eligible for this opportunity. So If you're willing to read this information once again, so I will put the link in the description box of the video, so you can simply go there and visit the careers page and read all this information. So if you fit in all the criteria mentioned by the Excel Dynamic team, and if you're willing to apply, you can simply click here on the apply now button here. So after clicking on that apply now, you will be redirected to the next page. So this is the job application registration form, you can see. So here you have to very first mention your personal information such as your first name, your last name, and your gender and desired position, like for which position you are applying. So here you a number of positions are here, so you can select any one of these positions. And next you have to mention your email ID, your telephone number, your street address, then your zip code. After that you have to enter your city, and then you have to enter your state and comments. If you are willing to mention anything, so you can put that in the comment section here. And after that you have to upload your CV. So fill all this information they have asked here, and after filling information and uploading your CV, just finally click on the apply now here. So after clicking on apply now, you have officially registered for this opportunity. So once you are registered and you are shortlisted for this opportunity, they will mention all the next steps in this recruitment process on your email. So in this way we have seen complete information about this Excel Dynamics hiring. So I hope you guys like this video. So if you like this video, please don't forget to share this video with your fellow friends who are looking for such better opportunities. And if you are new and you haven't subscribed to Fresher.Bee, then I request you all to subscribe to Fresher.Bee so that you can get all the latest updates regarding such various opportunities on a regular basis. And if you came across any type of queries while applying for this opportunity, then please I request you all to mention all the queries in the comment section below. I will reply to all the queries ASAP, and we'll meet in the next video with one more such opportunity. Thank you.